These are some tests of the RICOH THETA Z1 and RICOH THETA X using handheld HDR and HDR, and with also the filters off. I'm using a program to measure the time taken from when the initial command is sent until the camera returns a ready status. The Z1 took 8 seconds for handheld HDR. The camera is on a tripod indoor with daylight. I'm using the get options to see what the filter is. HDR is the handheld HDR and does compensate for some small movement of the camera. I'm just going to set the filter to HDR. If the camera is in a tripod, HDR may yield better results. It's a bit faster as well. So with the filter set to HDR, it takes 5.7 seconds. I'm going to run get options again to verify that the filter is still in HDR mode, and then I will now set it to off. So this is the normal settings, that it's the default settings where it's going to take a single 6.7K JPEG image. Just verifying that the filter is set to off. So this is the default settings again, and let's take a picture and see how long it takes. Boom. 2.7 seconds. Referring to the API documentation on the RICOH public site, I will just set the handheld HDR again to do firmware tests, just to replicate it and see how we're doing, whether the values are consistent or not. So let's verify the filter is set to HDR, handheld HDR, and let's give it a go. And it looks like it's consistently taking 8 seconds for the handheld HDR. I'm not going to test Theta X with 11K images. So I'll just first turn on the Wi-Fi here. Then I'll set the change it from the default 5.5K to 11K. I'll first test it with 11K JPEG image. The Theta X can only take JPEG images, so we'll turn the filter off. There's no HDR. And amazingly, it takes the 11K image in 4.5 seconds. Let's try it again. It's fast. 4.4 seconds. Now let's try HDR, 11K images, and we'll see how long it takes. Six seconds. It's quite fast. It's 5.8 seconds. It's quite fast for 11K HDR images. 6 seconds.